It's here, bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. At the transmission. Boom! Transmission is fucking here, finally. Sick as hell. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. I mean, I don't think I should be shifting it dry like that, but screw it. Let's unpack this and see what it looks like all unpacked. There we go, guys. So there it is, unwrapped. This is the transmission all unwrapped. It comes with like a little, this is basically just like the stock shifter kind of basically, but here it is. Goes in gear, and it's brand new. I mean, it's just a remanufactured CR3650. Yep, that is pretty much it, guys. This is the transmission. Next time I pick this up is when we have the clutch, and we're about to do all this. All I'm missing right now is the flywheel when I cut it, which is when I'm like when I'm doing this process, and what's it called? And I just need to buy some jack stands and some other miscellaneous stuff to get this project started. So there it is. I'll catch up with you guys when I'm dropping this trans. Yo, so it is a couple days later, actually like a week. Trans is here. The car is already up pretty high. I have it high on a bunch of blocks, a safety jack, 2 safety jacks back there, the ramps, a safety, a bunch of shit. Yeah, so the car is pretty sturdy, so it's not going anywhere. Anyway, so car's up. Now it's time to start taking apart stuff. So first things first, we're gonna take apart the interior stuff, which is the shifter and all that stuff. Eddie's gonna do that. Meanwhile, I go down there. Oh, by the way, Eddie's about to get a, he's about to get a rather not a horse, but a different kind of animal. Just take that in consideration.
Same body, same everything, but different animal.
Right. Anyway, lucky fuck. But anyway, onto this piece of shit that's broken. Let's I'll be hitting the exhaust bolts with WD-40, and he could do the NGW shifter, and from there we'll move on. So time to, I guess, just get started with this thing. Just keep it to So, I'm gonna pause the little montage right now because I had to. Literally this whole entire transmission, like, replacement was going so well. As you guys can see, the video was going good. Even exhaust manifolds went off and everything. We get to the top bolts, and I almost caused a job to take more than like fucking 2 weeks, because I would have to, as you can see, I rounded out the bolt because it was in the worst position ever. The EGR's in the way. It's so many, look, bleeding. So many things are in the way. So we almost rounded out the bolt and destroyed it. I tried impacting. I tried extensions from the bottom of the transmission up. I tried this. We made our own wrenches. I bought so many things, but we finally got it. Now I didn't do it. It was my dad. Big thanks to Chris. Big thanks to John Carlos. You guys are watching this video. Big thanks to you guys. You guys are fucking insane. I love you guys. And Eddie, my brother. And yeah, big thanks to all you guys, because this shit was literally about to cost me a month of fucking just labor. No, but anyway, yeah, we finally got it out. Back to our regular programming. Okay. No, it's helping me out. Look.
Oh, right. Oh, hold. Okay, hold on. Roll this back. Yep. Just wiggle. You got me down. They're not gonna come out easy, but just get it.
Let me look. Let me turn that real quick. Let me look at my. Good.
Alright guys.
Bro, it's so rusty. Look at that.
Are you gonna...
Alright, now pull that away. It's gonna fall. Oh, you need to move your bolt.
There we go. No, that's not good.
Right there. Alright, just leave it right there.
Yeah. There it is, boys.
And what I move it?
Nah, just leave it like right there. Just keep it right there. There it is.
Yeah, look.
Fucking
hole right here.
transmission. There's a hole
right here.
There's a hole up there, guys. It's cracked. What the fuck happened to this
Cracking right
thing?
here.
Fuck. All right. Well, next up is clean up a little bit and start taking apart the clutch and flywheel. There it is. What's going on? Oh, fuck.
Stuck.
I got it. Oh, that's not good. I think I just heard some noise.
Shake it.
Huh? Yeah, we'll look at it in a second. That's the clutch right there. Jesus Christ, that is not good. Wow. Start cranking it a little bit. Just start cranking it. It's coming. Alright. Is it heavy?
No.
Alright, good job. Good shit, bro. And this is the plate. It's the oil pan. Holy shit. What the hell? It's the oil pan thing, not this. Not the rear man. I mean, the rear man's not bad. It's just the oil pan that starts sloshing oil all over the place. The fuck? I guess oil pan. Yeah, I guess oil pan job.
Yo, these are fucking metal pieces.
Was it metal?
Yeah, fuck, bro. That's probably from the clutch.
I shouldn't be laughing at that.
Yeah, this is from the clutch, bro.
That's not funny. I shouldn't be laughing at
That's
that.
not funny, dog. There's so much.
No.
Clean the fuck out of this shit.
Yeah, I'm cleaning the fuck out of this shit for sure, dude.
You need
Holy
you know those
shit,
little like barbecue brushes?
Yeah, dude.
You're gonna need that.
Yeah. Oh my god, this is literally disgusting. I just got in here, just clean up and try to get this shit off. Shut up. We're pulling now.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're under the Tonka. Here it goes. There we go. See, I found it.
And we got the pilot.
See, I found it.
Now look to the right camera. Now we got the new one right here. Look at this guy.
We need to reuse all this hardness. No, just like look at it. Like literally, it won't go anymore because it has a metal barrier on the inside.
We got a cloud pusher, pressure plug in there. Yeah.
That's what's up, yeah. I already told you.
Whose truck is this, your dad's?
Yeah, my dad's, yeah. Gang.
Yo, do you want a new camera?
I probably should get a new camera.
I have a Canon Rebel T5i.
Really?
Yeah, I was gonna bring it.
Yo,
name it.
Camera from Japan is coming next week.
Yo, let me use
Camera from Japan coming soon, bro. You ready for the clips?
Oh
yeah, you told me, bro. It's coming next week.
So the whole gang is here now. Fucking they invited themselves in here. But fuck, I don't care. Tonight? There is no tonight, bro. Tonight I'm gonna be at work.
Hey, you going where?
the micro right here, 2 and south.
No, you're not.
To the camera?
Yeah.
I don't know, Eddie. I don't want to get fired, bro.
Bro, just text him yourself, bro. Give me my phone.
I don't want to get fired, man. Gang here. It's fucking sick, dude. So we'll get back to it once we get back to the transmission.
Like that one's like the middle.
All right, let's go. Let's go run up on him.
Let's go.
Let's go. Got Eddie the man, or LD the man himself. About to run up on Eddie, Chris, and Giancarlo. Hold on. Yo.
Oh, is it recording?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
No. Would have been the Hellcat?
Big ass camera, bro.
That's a big ass camera.
Alright,
Alright, it's over. Fuck you.
Damn.
I want to go.
That fucking sucks.
Man, that's
Why the fucking break loose?
Oh no, because you keep throttling, brother.
This is a V8. What the hell you mean? You're used to all-wheel drive. You're used to all-wheel drive.
Let's get him in there.
on your crap.
What car are we going to?
Can you guys like let me
Go to Sloopy?
Yeah, of course. What do you need? Alright.
Let's go.
Oh, damn, bro.
I forgot the steer.
Let me see. Hold on, let me see.